This is rolling review number 1, Monday's recording. You'll remember that we factor by, first off, there's an understood 1 here at the beginning, but we start with our first times last. First times last is 6. So then I have to bring down my x squared and bring down my 6. Now I've got to split this middle term. This middle term, I need two numbers that are going to multiply to give me 6 and are going to add to give me 5. Those two numbers are 2 and 3, so I'm going to go 2x plus 3x. Now I'm just going to factor by grouping. In my first group, I have x in common. So I factor out an x, and I'm left with x squared plus, no squared. I'm left with x plus 2. In my second group, I have 3 in common. So I factor out 3, and I'm left with x plus 2. As we discussed in class, these two should be the same. If they are the same, you're probably on the right track. And if they are the same, then you know that that is one of your factors, x plus 2. And then outside those two, we have our x plus 3, and that is my other factor. And that is how you factor the first problem. For our second problem, we're still going to do first times last. We still have that understood 1 at the beginning, so I get negative 14. And so I need two numbers that multiply to give me negative 14 and add to give me 5. Those two numbers are negative 7 and 2, so I have negative 7x and 2x. Now I'm ready to do my factoring by grouping. So I'm going to group my first two together and my last two together. My first two have a common factor of x, which leaves me x minus 7. My second two have a factor of positive 2, which leaves me x minus 7. And then just as before, we have these two that are the same. That gives me one of my factors. And then we have these two on the outside. That gives me my other factor, x minus 7 times x plus 2. For our third problem, we are going to start by multiplying first times last, and 2 times 6 is 12. So now I've got 2x squared at the beginning, I've got 6 at the end, and I need two numbers that are going to multiply to give me 12 and add to give me 7. Those two numbers are 3 and 4, so I have 3x plus 4x. Now I'm going to group so that I can factor. My first group, excuse my 6 there, my first group has a common factor of x. That leaves 2x plus 3. My second group has a factor of 2, which leaves me with 2x plus 3. As it was with the first two problems, I have these two parts that are the same. That's one of my factors, 2x plus 3, and the other factor comes from the outside. That is x plus 2.